Hiya everyone, today I'm going to be doing makeup lucky dip number 13 and I hadn't realised what number it was until Martin said something about it. I'm probably going to end up with no eyes. I'll end up poking my eyes out or something really horrible. Or I'm not superstitious, but I've got to be honest, I'm a little bit So anyway, we're going to do number 13. I'm going to turn you around and we're going to go diving. Right. So first of all, we're going to get a lipstick. We're going to get this out of the way. We'll reach over. Off I go. I hope this is going to, I bet this is going to be the best look ever. What have I got? Oh no, it's not going to be. This is really funny colour, I promise you. Look at that. Oh no. Okay, well, whatever. We've got it now. We can't go back. Now we're going to get a pigment. And if it's a glitter one, I'm going to have to use some sort of base to keep it on. Oh God! Bright Fuscia! Oh well, something exciting. Now we're going to pick where bronze, blush, whatever it is. It's probably going to be something really horrible. Stay matte. That's not even going to do anything. So it looks like we're going blusher free today, guys, because that's not going to work. Should I get something else? Shall I? I don't know. No, leave it. There's a reason. There's a reason. Don't double dip. Right, we're going into these. I'm probably going to pick a Barry M pigment in the middle somewhere. So have a look. What we got? Oh, what's this? Number 89. It looks kind of silvery, beigey. That, you know what, I'm excited. I really am excited now. Okay, now we're going in with the MAC eyeshadows, palettes or whatever. I don't know what to pick. I might just pick a palette or an eyeshadow. What'll I do? What'll I do? Just an eyeshadow. Right, keep it simple. Off we go. Off we go. Please. Oh, what the hell? Oh, get in. Do you know what? I actually think this is going to be the best lucky dip I've ever done. It's like a goldy colour. Very, very good. I'm so excited. Now we're going in with all the other eyeshadows, like the cheaper ones and a few different ones. Oh, we've got L'Oreal Hip Charred. Looks like copper and brown. Do you know what? I'm really chuffed. Really, really chuffed. I've got me pencil bits and bobs here. I'm just going to pick something. You never know. It's either an eyeliner or a lip liner. So there's not really any rhyme or reason to these, but we'll find something. What have we got? We've got an Estee Lauder double wear one. Do you know that might work? That might work. Not with that lipstick though. We'll think of something. Right, cool. Alright, putting you back on the shelf now. There we go. I'm actually really excited. Right, okay, let's go. Because I've got loads to tell you. I've already put this on, by the way. I fancied a change from the MAC stuff, and this one, I'm absolutely in love with it. My skin looks, well, it feels really fresh and doesn't feel claggy. It's Lancome Miracle Tint, or Tint Miracle, but I don't know what colour it is. Number 3 maybe? Over the moon with that. I'll be using my normal mascara, which is just the number 17 one, yeah, and I'll be putting my brow back on, just the one brow. Anyway, off we go. Yeah, I'm excited. Whee! I'm going out today later on to meet a friend. First of all, I'm going to my mum's, go and pick her up, we'll go for a coffee in the town, and then, I'm out of breath, then later I'm going to meet my friend, Anna. I think she watches my videos and I've known her on Facebook for years. So we're going to go and have a cuppa as well. And then I'm going swimming and meet Martin after the gym. Right, let's go. So we're going to go in with some... What'll I put on? I'm going to put some of that on first. It's quite nice. What's it called? Oh, it's called Tender Metal? Tender Metal by MAC. Right, let's go. Zoom is in. We'll get cracking. Right, do a bit more. Yeah. Ooh. It's exciting. Right, so we're going to put a bit of that on. And just make sure I usually put my hair up in my videos, but I'm really not impressed with my hair quality at the minute. It's really annoying us. The only time it's looking nice is when it's just been washed, and even then it's a push. And I think it's because of this pill I'm on. I'm on the contraceptive pill, but it's just nasty. Your hair quality does change with it. It's horrible. It's like getting thin as well. But anyway, I tell you what, I've been really stressed the last few days. And I could feel myself getting all het up and stuff, and it's so hard to stop when you're there. I know this might sound daft. Like years ago, I never even thought about these things, and I never ever, like I've always getting stressed, but I've never felt ill with it. And as I got older, like hit my 30s and stuff, now whenever I get stressed, I feel it in my heart, my chest, my arms. I just feel wrong and horrible. And so I thought, right, today, just in case my blood pressure's up, I'm going to make myself a juice with beetroot and stuff. So I've just had to down a load. I didn't fancy it, but it was beetroot, celery, ginger and an apple. And I've put a load in the juicer and just drank all that after my porridge. It didn't settle very good, but it's got to be done on it, because I don't want to go on medication if I can help it, because that comes with a whole host of horrible side effects. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of this, and I think what I'm going to do is, I don't have an eyeliner brush, do I? We don't have time to decide, Lauren. Right, so we're going to put a little bit of that on, and I think I'm going to put the dark one on. Look at that, isn't that lush? I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I don't want to spoil it with the pink and that other thing, which I think might be mushroom. I might be wrong. It's been a long time since I used Barry M stuff. So I'm just getting a bit of this on. It's not very forthcoming out of the tub. No, it's not coming out very good. Very pigmented looking, but it's not picking up, you know. Oh, hang on, we've got it. We're getting there. I actually think this is probably going to be my favourite Lucky Dip look. It's number 13. Ooh. I'll wait for someone to jump out and go boo, and I poke my eye out on my brush or something. Yeah, it's so funny. Martin's at work, John's at work, so I've got the house to myself. And there's a balloon, you know, the one I got for Martin's birthday. It was behind us in the sitting room. So we're going to have to put it in the bin now. It's not your birthday anymore. You have to make way for other people. So I put it out the back door, which is that way, and it's on like it's got like a weight to it, but it's a helium balloon. It's quite a size. It's moved all the way around the house, and now it's at the other window in front of us. And every time I come in the kitchen, I think there's someone at the window waving around, and we'll call it the Mr. Birthday balloon. And if it wasn't for having a side gate, it would be off in the street waving at the windows and everything, because it just won't go away. It's so funny. I bet the neighbours are actually annoyed because it's just waving around by their fence. It's so funny. It's so funny looking. Oh, I like this look. I'm just blending the outer half with that. That's really quite nice, that. But I'm going to have to put them other colours on, because that's the point of this game. You've got to use them. Doesn't matter how you feel or what you think, you've got to put them on. So get that in there. Come on, it doesn't pick up very easy, this colour, mind. I tell you what, my skin, I've got acne. I never ever had acne. I was so lucky as a teenager to be one of them kids that didn't have it. I just never had it. And my diet was always crap, so I'm very lucky I didn't have it. But I've come on this pill, and ugh, it's just awful. Loads of people have this problem, but there's nothing you can do about it at the minute. Getting rid of the fallout. Keep going, come on, don't have long. Yeah, so I'm swimming tonight. Cold, saggy bottom or what, I'm going swimming. I'm not getting out of it. And I'm going to enjoy as much as I can and relax. Why is that? That's a very, very fallout. How come? It's not picking anything up on the brush. And yet I've got it all over my cheeks. I don't understand. Never mind. I was going to say something, but I can't remember what it was. Again, it'll come to us when I finish the video, you know, like everything else. But I do honestly feel much better after that beetroot drink. So you know what? It could have been my blood pressure. And that stuff's amazing for lowering it because I think it opens, it dilates your vessels. It's got nitric oxide in. I think nitric oxide, something like that. Anyway, we'll go in with some beetroot. We're gonna go in with some Bright Fuscia. Hey, where's my head? I'm just not there today. Right, so at least I'm laughing because yesterday I felt really just, oh, I don't know. You know when you get days where you just feel so overwhelmed, and do you ever get days where you feel scared and you just, there's no reason to be, but you're just worried about pathetic things? Well, yesterday was one of them days, and I actually feel a sense of calm tonight today, but I had a good night's sleep, so it's probably that. And when you don't sleep, you don't feel so good, do you? We're going to go in with some Bright Fuscia. I'm going to put that out very, very, very outer corner. I don't even know if I should be using a different brush for that. Look at that. I feel like I've got to really pull my face down to get this on my eyelid because everything's just smooshed and wrinkly. And it's not how it used to be. Yeah, I used to be able to worry before and not feel anything. Just worry. That was bad enough. But now, whenever I get stressed, immediately I can feel adrenaline getting released. I can actually feel it getting released. It's as if you can feel, like, by your kidneys, like this juice escaping into your bloodstream, and then your heart just pounds and it just takes forever to mop it up. It's good during the day if it happens, because I can walk it off. But if it happens at night when people are sleeping and you're lying in the dark, it's just not good. But I've noticed I don't deal with stress like I used to be able to. And I don't know if that's because I don't smoke anymore, so I can't just pick up a cigarette and take my mind off it. I've got to like get on with it and deal with it, or I haven't worked that out yet, but I don't handle it as much as I used to. Or as well as I used to. I really like that bit of pink on the outer corner. I know I might actually go out like this. Just like I might go out, yeah? I'm going to go out. Who cares? Also, I was thinking, I see loads of people with lots of makeup on, but they don't use colour, and that's what I mean. Like, you see, all that, I know I keep saying towie, I've gone and put pink all over. That's the Bright Fuscia. Look at that. I get rid of that. It's not good. But you see that makeup look everywhere, really heavy eyebrows. But I don't see colour, like pinks and blues and turquoise and greens or whatever, and yellow or whatever. Well, you know what, we didn't have any blusher and I've actually made myself some, so that's handy. Right, now I'm going to go in with the Barry M stuff, but I need an eyeliner brush. Oh, I've got one. Right, so I need a bit of something to get this to stick, because it's very fine and powdery. What have I got? I have a little bit of this. Good old e.l.f. lips, eyes, whatever primer. So stick a bit of that on your brush. So I'm doing all this under there. And then just a little bit, so we've got something to pick up on. And we're going to put this underneath. Oh no, that's not right. It's not right at all, that. Because I've got too much of that on. See what I mean? That's not good. That can't work. We can't do that. So, got rid of that. Good job, I've got my makeup wipes handy. And I never usually have anything handy. I'm going to wet the brush onto the makeup wipe. That's better. And then, that should go onto the lash line. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. It might drop off a little bit later, so I would suggest if you're going to do anything like that with eyeshadow on the lower lash line, get like an eyeshadow primer, or MAC have got this see-through gloss but I've left it upstairs. It's like a purple, but it's a nice purple, it's got silver in it, so I don't mind. Put some on the other side. I don't think I'm going to go out with the lipstick though. I've got to be honest with you here. I'm not that much of a nutter. And I don't think it's going to look right for me. But we'll see. Right. So I've got my liner on. I think it's a little bit too much on that side. Right, get that back in the pot. Not a perfect way to do it, but never mind. Don't need any of this matte stuff. I'm going to pop a little bit on, see if it'll highlight my cheek area, since I've just ruined it with all that pink. Oh, that stinks. Now we're going to put some lipstick on. So we're using Tom Ford. I think it's Tom Ford, and it is Bruised Plum. Off we go. Oh God, look at that. That's not a good look. I think I might need to get some of that off. But we'll get our lashes on as well while we're here. So up we'll go with the 17 stuff. I love this, it's HD 17, really, really nice stuff. There we go. That's actually not a bad look. And for number 13, that's not bad. Mind you, I haven't finished yet, something awful could happen, but we'll see. So, you never know, do you? But I'm going to wear this out, for sure. I don't mind, I like that. I'm even going to leave the purple underneath. So, and I'm looking forward to going out for coffee. So, and I haven't really got time to mess on and take it off anyway, have I really? I always say to my mum, I'll be there for 12, and it always ends up being 1 o'clock because I've got that much to do on my days off in this house. Because once you start cleaning up, you think, oh, that needs doing as well. And before you know it, it's like tea time. Right, move your back out again. There we go. The lips are a bit dark for me. So what'll I do? Shall I put something on the top? This is where this comes in, isn't it? Shall I? Yeah. Sorry. Get a bit of this on so it's not so... It's working. No, map, that spoiled it. Well, that's alright. I'll probably take that bit off, the lipstick. I'm not going out with that lipstick on. But apart from that, that's not so bad, is it? No. Yeah, I need to get my hair dyed. And look at it, look at the roots. I'm so due my hair coloured, but I'm frightened until I've sorted me scalp out because I've still got the dandruff. I'm scared, and I wouldn't want to mess around with someone's dandruff either, so I'm going to wait till all that's gone. I've bought some Loreal shampoo because I got it from the doctor's ages ago and it really works, so I bought some more. £9 odd, mind, so, you know. But it works, it's actually really calmed it down. So I think a few more shots of that and that should be gone. And I'm going to get me rooties done because this is just not good. I'm starting to get grey hair as well, so that's got to go. Right, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.